have a confession to make. I've never had one taco in my life.
Wait, you have to drink that?
Ooh.
Commercial break.
Okay. Hi, you guys. It's me, just Layla.
Some lime. And for hot, we have some extreme hot pickles.
I'll be
Hey, Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Fantastic.
What's good, A+ fam? Welcome back to another challenge, guys. So today, we are about to do the spiciest versus sourest foods ever challenge.
The washing machine in the background.
Always. Okay! If you are new to this channel, I am Melania, and to my left we have
Santana.
and to my right we have
Layla.
and
Hey, what's good, y'all? Let's say Daddy in the caddy, now baby, barely, you know, that's all you know, the vibe.
so are you guys ready to start this challenge?
Yes.
Okay, so rules are, how this works is we have two teams. We have Layla and Ziggy as one team, and we have Santana and myself as another team. We are going to have flashcards under our trays, spicy and sweet. And how this works is we do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever wins gets to pick the tray, and from there, that's it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Which tray do you pick? Okay, but don't pick it up. Do you want commercial break?
Okay. Hi, you guys. It's me, just Layla, and welcome back to another commercial break. As I say, welcome back.
Bruh.
As I say, it's me, just Layla. You guys should go check out the real channel, the channel that started it all, Just Layla.
Alright guys, so we're back. Santana's decided to sit over here instead. Which one do you pick?
This one.
Okay, so pick that one.
Ready?
You pick up yours. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Sweet! We got sweet. Alright,
Bruh.
I'll go get it. Alright guys, so this is the spicy. And this is the sweet.
Oh, that looks so good. Wait, can I see this?
All right, we'll share. We don't need the whole.
Wait, are we keeping this? Like, they look and smell like pistachios.
Let's do half.
Oh my god, they smell so good.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Like a G.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
You want to eat these?
Cheers.
Cheers. Wait. Oh wait. It's like a sour spicy,
Wait a minute.
and then the taste is just bad.
Wait a minute. How you guys doing over there?
Don't rub it in.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bomb! Bomb, biggie, bomb, biggie, bomb, bomb, bomb. Bomb, biggie, bomb, biggie, bomb, bomb, bomb.
What'd you get?
That's sweet.
We got spicy.
Oh, that's fun.
I mixed up the. It's sour and spicy. What
No,
else?
it's not. It is.
All right, guys. So this is spicy. It's the Cheetos Flaming Hot Tangy Chili Fusion flavor. And then for sour, we have the Extreme Sour Warheads. I hope it's not zooming in on him. There we go. Guys, we made a little mistake with our cards. The last round said sweet on the card. It's actually sour, not sweet. Oh!
Can you smell?
If you need water, it's over there.
Ooh. I felt a little breeze in my nose hairs.
3, 2, 1. Done.
It's gonna get to you.
Ooh. Ooh.
They are. They're not that hot. Bro,
And now it's sweet.
there's like a sweetness to it.
Is it sweet yet?
I guess because I don't have candy like that.
Is it sweet yet?
The tangy, the chili. Mmm. You okay over there?
Oh, you can I try one?
Oh, it's still in your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. What we have for spicy is the spicy hot V8 drink. And for sour, we have the lemon juice.
Wait, you have to drink that?
Come on, bro! Come on, Santana. We want lemon juice. Sour, bro. Sour. 3, 2, 1. Tomatoes, carrots, celery, beets, parsley, lettuce, watercress, spinach. Ready?
Yeah.
No reaction. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's not, we don't do bombs. Try to do a bomb.
It's a knife. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Explosion!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I picked this one.
Wait, did you tell them what it is? It's lemon heads and hot tamales.
Yeah, we have lemon heads and hot tamales on this one.
I love lemon head. I've never had hot tamales.
They're hot. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Fantastic.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Something like that.
Yeah. Please.
Not that bad.
You lie, look at his face.
It's not that bad. And I want to try hot tamale. You want to try lemon head? Wait, I'm scared.
3, 2, 1. Oh, she put the whole thing. She put the whole thing. She put the whole thing. It's cinnamon. Next we have the nitro Takis.
My favorite Takis. My favorite too.
And my favorite,
My least favorite chips.
the
Those are
limon,
disgusting.
the limon potato chips.
Lays.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I picked this one.
Okay. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. My favorite Takis. That's okay. I thought those were your favorite chips.
I have a confession to make. I've never had one Taki in my life. Think about it.
No, that's actually.
When have I ever had one?
He's never had. You guys always offer him some. All right,
I've
you ready,
never had
bud?
one.
Here. You want one? Santana, you're a traitor.
Sorry,
Stay on
guys.
this side. Here. 1, 2, 3. Mm-hmm.
There's a lot going on right here. It says extreme at the bottom of the bag.
Oh,
favorite
right.
Taki, you guys.
You eat these without water?
I have to eat like a lot.
All right, guys. Next, we have some lime. And for hot, we have some extreme hot pickles. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
They're both bad. Like no, I'll have the lime.
No, the lime is way better than hot pickles.
But a lime is not lemon juice. Just saying.
This one!
Wait, why my jump was so delayed?
3, 2, 1.
No! This is the actual lime, right?
Rules are rules.
Oh, it smells like.
Yeah, at the bottom it says mild, medium, hot. And guess what this bottle is at? Very hot.
And the last one is
Scary hot.
Oh my god, is that? I'm getting flashbacks from the baby food challenge.
No, but it says sweet too. Santana, you need to help your mama.
I want to watch them eat this, so we should watch them eat this first.
Where'd we get this team member from? Can I switch?
Sub it
You
out.
tried nothing.
Just have like a little taste, bro.
It smells so bad.
Uh,
Ready?
The juice.
you want some
Why
cake?
ya-
We're watching you eat it.
No, we together.
No, we want to see.
Does anyone want to count for me?
Go. It's sour?
Oh wow. This is so hot.
Eat it.
My lips, it just touched my lip and my
Eat it.
traitor.
Wow, like a true champ over there. Her eyes are watering, y'all. I see smoke.
Woo! Oh, that's hot. That's the hottest thing we've had so far.
Oh my God, Sensei.
Did I have a rep? Oh.
Is that extreme?
Why don't you guys try it? You had a line. Last round, we have hot and spicy chicken flavor ramen noodles. For sour, we have Santana's already opened, almost finished sour Skittles. Yes! Get the right one. Skittles, Skittles. I'm done with spice.
I swear.
I swear.
Like the moon
And the stars in the sky.
How do you know that?
I'll be there. I'll be there. Please pick one. Pick the right. Yeah!
How many you want? One. One, two, three. I don't have the rest for today.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's mushy. It's been sitting in water too long, but it's really good.
You have to.
Like he didn't do the thing. We took one representative.
You are a grown man.
Are we okay over here?
Daddy.
Hold on. After she done slobbered for 5 minutes over this food,
It's your child.
I still hear it.
Oh. Not
Kind
rich.
of fire.
It's not bad. It's just I feel like if it wasn't sitting in water for that
Wow,
long.
that's actually pretty good. And I got the candy still.
How? That's the warhead?
We
With
like
the
it.
candy though.
How are you doing that?
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you think of our spiciest versus sourest food challenge. And comment down below any other suggestions that you would like us to do. Any other challenges that you would like us to do. We're open for suggestions. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Peace and love.
Yeah.
Oh.